What's up guys, this is Arshad and I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. But first let me tell you a quick story. So this is the Ulanzi microphone and I bought it as the lightning port type, and if you don't know, I used to do my vlogs in my iPhone. But then I couldn't use this for my Sony camera, which had the 3.5mm TRS port, and which for my action camera which had the USB-C port. So I figured out I couldn't use this and I found another product, which was the Boya multi-compatible 2.4 GHz dual channel wireless microphone system. So this is compatible with cameras, smartphone, tablet, computers and more. So the packaging is pretty simple, nice, and you guys look. The main advantage of this is you get three different adapters. One is the USB-C, other is the lightning port, and the other one is a 3.5mm TRS adapter. So the lightning port is also MFI certified. I'm not sure if you can see this, but let me read out what's in the box. So there's two Boyalink transmitter, which is also the mic, Boyalink receiver, which is this thing. You don't need to worry about the adapters falling because there's a lock which helps you lock into it. Alright. So then it's the USB-A to USB-C cable, then MFI certified the lightning adapter. As I told you, the lightning adapter is fully certified. Then is the 35mm TRS adapter, which is the one you can use for laptops and stuff, for voiceovers. Then is the USB-C adapter for windshield, which is I guess noise cancellation. It removes out wind from the mic. And then is the charging case, of course. So today we're gonna be unboxing it. So even I have not seen this, it's gonna be my first time also, so let's go. So open it up. I don't know how to open this up. Okay. So we make the slide down, we pull it. Oh my god, I think I did upside down. Yeah. Okay, here it is, guys. It's pretty simple. Okay, I don't want anything to happen, alright. So this is it. Let's open it up. Come out. Okay. What? Look at that! It's transparent. So the charging is also USB-C. You can put it right here. And I don't know how to open this, but let's try. Okay, so I think you gotta press this button and then, okay, that's switching on. Okay, how am I supposed to open this now? Okay, like that. Do I have to hold the button? 1 second. Okay, no you don't. Okay, so this is it, guys. The receiver over here. So you can remove this. It's the TRS cable, right? TRS adapter right now, but you can remove it. Place it back where it was. The windshield, there are two for two microphones, two transmitters. This is the microphone, guys. This is probably the mic, and there are volume buttons which you can adjust, and this is for switching the mic on or muting it. And there's two of these. Then other adapters, the lightning cable, the lightning adapter, and I think this is the lock. No, okay, maybe that's the charger. Wait, I don't know. Okay, wrong place. Okay, right here. This is the USB-C adapter. So as I told you, this is really useful because it's all in one. It's really useful for the ones who need to vlog in multiple devices. And yeah. So that's it in this. Okay, so let's test the mic. I'm standing about 20 meters away from the camera, and You can probably hear me, right? I have connected the USB-C cable onto my action camera, and yeah, as I told, I'm standing almost 20 meters away. As you can see, I'm really far away with no obstacles in between, of course. So you can probably hear me. Let me come closer. Wait, hold up, coming closer. Can you hear me now? Okay. Did the clarity increase? Okay, wait, I'm coming. Okay, so you can hear me more clearly probably now. And yeah, how is it? And if you like this video, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.